You see this small device? This right here can save you hundreds, sometimes even thousands, on car repairs. But most drivers don't even know how to use it properly. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about an OBD scanner. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you own a car, or you're planning to get one, this is something you need to understand. We're talking about the OBD scanner, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it like a pro. What is an OBD scanner? OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics. Every modern car has a built-in system that monitors the engine, transmission, emissions, and more. An OBD scanner is a tool that connects to your car and reads error codes when something goes wrong. So instead of guessing what's wrong with your car or relying fully on a mechanic, you can actually see the issue yourself. Where to find the port now? Where do you plug it in? The OBD port is usually located under the dashboard, close to the steering wheel. In most cars, you don't even need tools, just plug and go. How to use it? Using an OBD scanner is very simple. Plug the scanner into the OBD port, turn your car ignition on, wait for the scanner to connect, read the error codes. Some advanced scanners even connect to your phone via Bluetooth and show you live data, like engine temperature, fuel efficiency, and more. What the codes mean. Once you get a code, like P0420 or P0300, you can look it up online or inside the app. For example, P0300 = engine misfire, P0420 = catalytic converter issue. This helps you understand the problem before going to a mechanic, so you don't get overcharged. Why you need one. Save you money, help you detect problems early, give you confidence when buying a used car. Honestly, it's a must-have for every car owner. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know, should I show you the best OBD scanners to buy in the UAE? See you in the next one.